Hi, I'm Ryan Stewart. I have a blog on ZDNet where I call the Universal Desktop, where I cover rich internet applications, and we're here in the San Francisco office of Adobe, and I'm with Tinic Uro, and we're going to talk about video. So, Tinic, do you want to introduce yourself?
Yes, I'm Tinic Uro. I work on the Adobe Flash Player team, and I'm mostly focusing on video, audio, and media. And today I'm going to show a little bit new things about video.
So, yeah, at NAB, you guys, had the media player, which is very video focused. So, what's next for the Flash Player for video?
So we have a couple of new features. We have a dot release coming up for Flash Player 9, and we will actually enhance the full screen feature, which we introduced in Flash Player 9.1. And as everybody knows, the current full screen feature has some issues when it comes to performance.
Okay, so you're going to fix those issues then, or is there any other enhancements?
There are a couple other enhancements. We're going to make changes in the core renderer, and the core renderer will now support multi-core. So it will be fully multi-threaded, and which means if you have the right system, Flash Player should play back much faster.
Okay. Do you have anything you can show us, an example?
Absolutely. First one I can show you, maybe here, I have a little Vista machine here. This is a video which is 1280 by 720 pixels.
Oh,
so it's
nice.
HD content, 30 frames per second. And the new thing you can do now, you can go to full screen, and it's the same performance. So what we do,
that looks awesome.
So you actually get hardware acceleration in this case. We're using Direct 3D and Direct Draw on Windows and OpenGL on the Mac.
So this is actually being hardware accelerated and
Yes.
using that hardware acceleration pipeline
Correct.
to render?
Well, what it does, it takes what the Flash Player has in a small resolution and uses hardware to scale it up.
Is that only for full screen mode?
Yes. Right now it's only full screen mode. The other thing we do in full screen, and that's only a problem on 2K and 1XP, is there will be no tearing anymore. So we're going to have tearing control, which means you will not have any stripes through the middle of your video anymore.
Okay. Oh, that looks awesome.
So that's one of them. And I have another one which is a little bit larger. And that's actually 1080p. And that's full HD resolution. You can't get any
Wow.
And and it works.
And
Just works
performance is spectacular.
Yes. And right now that's using a VP6 codec here. So it's not even Sorensen.
Oh, that's just VP6?
Yes.
And so is this cross-platform then also, or the change is
Yes.
is the release going to be
So we're gonna have this on macOS obviously, and we're gonna have it on Linux also.
Okay. And is it going to be hardware accelerated on Linux as well?
We are trying to. Obviously, there are kinds of issues because you need the right drivers, but we're hoping that we're gonna have that problem solved.
Okay, cool. All right, well, thanks, Tinic.
No problem.